And today we're going to talk about the formula for the area of a trapezoid. You guys have already seen this formula. The area of a trapezoid equals B1 plus B2 divided by 2 multiplied by H. What do B1 and B2 stand for?
Base 1 and base 2.
Yeah, good job. Those are the bases. How do you know what the bases are in a trapezoid? The top and the bottom?
Yeah.
But what if it's turned like this? You can't say it's the top and the bottom anymore.
It's the straight angles or parallel side.
Good job. It's the parallel sides. So the bases are always the parallel sides. And it doesn't matter which one you call base 1 and which one you call base 2 at all. And what does the H stand for? Right. And how do you know what the height is? Say that again.
Straight down the middle.
Straight down the middle. Okay. Good job. It's always perpendicular to both of the bases. That's what the height will be. I just want to talk a little bit about how this formula came to be, because I think it helps you understand why it's the formula. Here you're taking two bases and you're dividing by 2. When you add up a number of things and divide by how many there are, what are you really doing? Yeah, good job. That's actually the average of the bases. So this is an average base. When you take a base times a height, what formula does that sound like? Base times height?
The area.
Yeah, that's the area of what?
Rectangle.
Good job. So really, this is just base times height, which is the area of a rectangle. That means you must be able to make a rectangle out of a trapezoid. So I made a little trapezoid to show this to you guys. My trapezoid has a base 1 of 2 inches and a base 2 of 4 inches. What's the average of 2 and 4?
3.
3 is the average, that's right. 2 plus 4 is 6, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. The number halfway in between 2 and 4 is 3. So we want to find where on the trapezoid it's exactly 3 inches across. So if I move my ruler down, I want to stop right there, yep. This line that I'm drawing represents the average base of 3. Now I can take my scissors and I can cut a perpendicular line to the base that goes up to that side and a perpendicular line that goes up to the base from this side. If I swing this up here and if I swing this one up here, what shape did it make?
A rectangle.
Yeah, and this isn't 4 inches anymore. How long is that? It's the same as that line I drew. How long was that? Yeah, so this is 3 inches. This is still the height of the trapezoid. This is still 3.75 inches tall. So it really is just base times height, but the base that you use is the average of those two. So if we had a trapezoid that had a base 1 of 4 and a base 2 of 5 and a height of 3, how would we manipulate those numbers to find the area? 4 plus 5 divided by 2, what is 4 plus 5? 9. What's half of 9? 4.5, and then what do I multiply that by? And what is 4.5 times 3? Yeah, it's going to be 12 plus 1.5, right? So 13.5. If we had measured these all in miles, like maybe we're looking at an area of land, what would our unit be? Huh? Yeah, square miles is how we say it. Sometimes the trapezoids look like this, and in this case, one of the sides is perpendicular to both of the bases. So maybe this has a base of 5 and 7, and the height is 4. What would it look like here? Sorry.
So you go 5 plus 7 divided by 2 times 4.
Yeah, 5 plus 7 is
12.
divided by 2 times 4. And so if we measured these in millimeters, what would our, yep, millimeters squared, or square millimeters. Nice job. We're ready to do our bookwork.
Okay, can I go to the bathroom real quick?
Yep.